Hey guys, James here from Cigar Reviews, and check out my birthday present. My wife has been too good to me. I got the Breville Barista Express, and so let's just do a quick unboxing here. Actually, I might not even need the knife. So yeah, I wanted this espresso machine for quite a while. You know, the setup I have now, the machine and grinder I have now is pretty decent, but certainly not amazing. So it comes with a razor. That's the dosing razor, so I can kind of dose out shots perfectly. Quick start guide. Here's the portafilter, nice and heavy. This is a 54 millimeter portafilter, so it's not technically industrial, but pretty much is. It's pretty hefty. Got a cleaning kit here. Here's our magnetic tamper. That's actually pretty nice as well. This is all looking better than I thought already. Here's our 54 mil baskets. So it comes with 4 baskets. So we have two single wall and 2 double. And so with single, you can make single shot, double shot, filtered in, or in double wall and single walled. So that way you can kind of get a large mix. And here's the big machine. Let's see how do I pull this out. Holy cow, this thing is big. 27 pounds. Whew. Pretty good packaging here, actually. I was thinking that maybe... Wow, that's actually really nice. Definitely keep your box for when you move. Whew. Nice bean hopper here. It's bigger than I thought, actually. That's pretty darn big. And let's see what this is. Milk jug. Milk jugs are good to have. It's kind of nice that it comes with everything. So for newbies like myself, you can just be ready to go. Everything is nice and packaged well. I like that. It's nice. It's a large drip tray for our home machine. I'm digging that. You know, because every morning I was cleaning my drip tray out. It's not bad. It's just not maybe ideal. But this could probably go for a while before I have to empty it. Check that out. That thing is huge. So it's kind of cool when you pull this out. It pulls this out with it. This holds all your baskets, which is pretty nice. So I'm gonna put those in there now. We'll put this in the portafilter, the single wall, and then we'll put the razor. Oh, this is big. Has instructions everywhere. Very nice. We'll put that on top. Oh, put our cleaning kit. Give you an Allen wrench. This looks like, yeah, you'd probably put this in here and then you put your cleaning puck in there. So you can back flush. Very cool. And then my wife, oh yeah, she also gave me some extra cleaning tablets. Let's check that out. Reggie, check out the new machine. Reggie, check it out. Check it out, Reggie.